What if the biggest thing stopping your growth is not failure, but comfort? In this video, I'm sharing powerful ideas and personal reflections from The Comfort Zone by Kristen Butler. This inspiring personal development book explores fear, self-growth, confidence, emotional resilience, mindset, habits, and why stepping outside of comfort often becomes necessary for creating a more meaningful and fulfilling life. The central message of the book is comfort can quietly become a trap. Many people believe staying comfortable keeps them safe, but the book explains comfort often prevents growth, opportunity, confidence, and transformation. The familiar may feel emotionally safe, but growth usually begins when people challenge routines, fears, and limiting patterns. The book reminds readers, discomfort is often part of becoming stronger, wiser, and more fulfilled. Many people stay inside comfort zones because fear feels uncomfortable. Fear may appear as procrastination, avoidance, excuses, overthinking, or settling for less than they truly want. The book teaches, people often avoid growth not because they lack ability, but because uncertainty feels intimidating. Another powerful lesson from the book, personal growth rarely feels comfortable in the beginning. Learning new skills, changing habits, speaking honestly, taking risks, or pursuing goals often creates fear, uncertainty, and temporary discomfort. But the book explains, discomfort does not always mean something is wrong. Sometimes, discomfort means growth is happening. Transformation requires stretching beyond familiar limits. Many people wait to feel confident before taking action. But confidence often develops after action. The book teaches, experience creates confidence gradually. The book also explains, many limitations exist internally before they exist externally. People often believe, I'm not capable, I'm too late, I'm not talented enough, I'll probably fail. The book encourages readers to challenge limiting beliefs instead of automatically accepting them. The book emphasizes, consistency matters more than perfection. Small steps compound into major growth over time. One of the strongest lessons from the book is this, staying comfortable forever can quietly create regret. Many people later realize, fear prevented experiences, opportunities, growth, and fulfillment. The book reminds readers, life expands when people become willing to grow intentionally. One lesson I personally took from this book is this, comfort feels safe in the short term, but staying too comfortable for too long can slowly limit confidence, opportunity, and personal growth. Many meaningful experiences in life begin right outside the limits we once thought we could never cross. The comfort zone reminds us, growth often begins exactly where comfort ends. The life you want may require becoming willing to feel temporarily uncomfortable in order to become stronger long-term. If this message resonated with you, comment "Grow Through Discomfort" below as a reminder to stop letting fear and comfort quietly limit your potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone interested in confidence, mindset, emotional growth, or personal development today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.